In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and customize stock or crypto charts on the Robinhood website. Whether you're new to investing or just looking to make the most out of Robinhood's charting features, this guide is designed to help you easily find and personalize the charting tools that best fit your trading style. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Robinhood account through their official website. Make sure you have your login information handy, and as always, use secure internet connections to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard, where you can begin searching for the specific stock or cryptocurrency that you're interested in analyzing. Look toward the top of the page for the search bar. It's usually at the upper center or right of the dashboard. Here, simply type the name or ticker symbol of the stock or crypto you want to check out. As you type, Robinhood will show you a list of matching results. Click on the one you're interested in to open its detailed information page. On this details page, you'll notice a chart displaying the recent price performance of your selected asset. To get a more comprehensive view and further customize your chart, look for an option that says View on Legend. Clicking this will expand the chart options and bring you to a more in-depth charting interface, allowing you to access additional features. Now, let's talk about how you can personalize the chart to best meet your needs. Find and click on the option labeled Chart Type. This will let you switch between different chart styles. For example, you might want to use a simple line chart to observe overall price trends, or you can switch to the candlestick chart if you're interested in more detailed information about price movements, like opening and closing levels within each chosen time frame. Select the option that makes the most sense for how you prefer to analyze your investments. One of the convenient features of Robinhood is that your chart customizations are automatically saved. This means the next time you visit this assets page, your preferred chart style will be ready and waiting for you. No need to reset your preferences each time. That covers the process of viewing and customizing charts for stocks or cryptocurrencies on Robinhood's website. Remember, experimenting with different chart types can help you discover what works best for your trading or investing strategy. Thanks for watching and happy investing.